Welcome to this tutorial on what to do with content on your website once you've created it for search engine purposes. My name is Nate. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process. So I'm here on my blog. We just published an article recently called Building a User-Friendly Website with SEO and Interactive Features. I'm going to click on that. But I'm going to take this portion, just the first sentence. I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to first go to LinkedIn and I'm going to start a post and just say this: transforming your website into a helpful tool for your business involves more than just having an online presence. It means optimizing your website's design, content, functionality. Learn more about the best strategy and tactics here. And then I'll get the URL like this, and then I'll paste it in like this. And then it's going to load a preview with the featured image. There it is. And I'm going to click post. It then invites me to join a group, which I'm going to post in the group. Actually, it says you belong to a group that may be interested in your post. I'm already a member of this group. It's been a while, but 121,000 members. So I could click, I'm going to say no thanks for right now, but that's an option. So now there's my article, shows up. I can click on the link and it'll take people to this post. Now I'm going to copy this same thing like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing on Facebook. Just like this, and make sure I have the URL. It'll show the featured image, and I'll click next, and I'll post it as me. And there it is. Next thing I'll do is I could go to places like Pinterest. And Pinterest, I'm not logged in right now, but this is another place where I could add, oh, now I'm logged in. And I can click create and save from URL, your website, just like this. We'll click that one, add one pin, and I'll get building a user-friendly website. Put that title in like this. And then I'll copy this information. And save. Maybe later. Okay, so those are three places that once you've created a blog post on your website, you can start pushing them to LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest. There's other places too, Instagram, Twitter. We can talk about those more later. These specific places are the ones I start with. You might even post those multiple times per day. For example, if I go back to LinkedIn, you'll see some of the people that I follow. Let me show you an example. Brian Clark, he will post multiple times per day, and he starts to gets likes, comments, reposts. I can go to his account. I can see all the interaction he has where he's posting links back to his website. There's his activity and posts, and I can see he's pushing content. So that's the challenge. Once you start doing that, one other thing while I'm here, I just noticed I can message some of my closest contacts and say, this is what I did for a client earlier today. Hey, wonder if you could check out this article and make a comment. And he said, absolutely. He just did it. You're awesome. Thanks. And that's another way to engage and get content pushed out to our ideal clients. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video and you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this. Thanks for watching.